Munofara here. Welcome back to Shona Land. Today I'll be teaching you some Shona love. Okay, so if you want to say I miss you to someone that you love, how do you say it in Shona? In Shona, if you want to say I miss you, you say ndakusuwa. 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 That's how you say I miss you in Shona. And if you want to respond, if someone says I miss you, how do you respond? How do you respond to that? You say ndakusuwawo. That's like I miss you too. Ndakusuwawo. So if someone says ndakusuwa, you respond ndakusuwawo. Ndakusuwawo. Okay. So you have your loved one, your girlfriend, or your wife, and you want to tell them, I miss you, babe. How do you say that in Shona? I miss you, babe. In Shona, it's ndakusuwa mudiwa. Ndakusuwa mudiwa. Ndakusuwa, which is equivalent to I miss you. Mudiwa, which is equivalent to babe. So I miss you, babe. It's ndakusuwa mudiwa. Okay. So if you want to respond to that, if someone says I miss you, babe, you say ndakusuwawo mudiwa. So it's like you're saying I miss you too, babe. Ndakusuwawo mudiwa. Okay? So if someone says ndakusuwa mudiwa, how do you respond? You respond ndakusuwawo mudiwa. Okay? To sum everything up together, if someone says I miss you, which is equivalent in Shona as ndakusuwa. Ndakusuwa. You respond as ndakusuwawo. Ndakusuwawo, which is I miss you too. So if you want to say I miss you, babe, ndakusuwa mudiwa. Ndakusuwa mudiwa. And you want to you respond saying ndakusuwawo mudiwa. I miss you too, babe. Ndakusuwawo mudiwa. I miss you too, babe. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.